Are you feeling fatigued or experiencing muscle weakness? It might be due to vitamin D deficiency. This condition means your body lacks enough vitamin D, which is crucial for healthy bones and muscles. Vitamin D is vital for developing and maintaining strong bones. It also supports your nervous, musculoskeletal, and immune systems. Your body can get vitamin D through various sources: sunlight, food, and supplements. However, many people worldwide still suffer from vitamin D deficiency despite these options. Why is vitamin D so essential? It helps regulate calcium balance in your blood and bones. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't use calcium and phosphorus effectively, leading to health issues. Chronic deficiency can cause hypocalcemia, where low blood calcium levels trigger overactive parathyroid glands. This can result in symptoms like muscle weakness, fatigue, and depression. To compensate for low calcium, your body pulls it from your bones, which weakens them over time. This bone demineralization can lead to osteomalacia in adults and rickets in children. Both conditions increase the risk of fractures. Rickets particularly affects children by causing their bones to bow due to demineralization. Vitamin D deficiency can affect anyone, from infants to adults. It's more prevalent among individuals with darker skin and those living in locations with limited sunlight. Globally, vitamin D deficiency is a significant concern, impacting about 1 billion people. Over half of the world's population experiences vitamin D insufficiency, with around 35% of adults in the United States affected. Understanding vitamin D deficiency is crucial for your health. Keep an eye on your vitamin D levels, seek sunlight, and consider dietary changes or supplements. Don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional if you suspect deficiency. Let's work towards healthier bones and a stronger immune system together.